MVIS stock here is down 11% today being February 3rd, 2025. Current price here is at $1.45. I did mention caution on a potential pullback down towards the 200 EMA. Currently that is at 132. We're getting pretty close to it as of right now. We can move on to the hourly chart. We can see we fell below the 200 EMA. Now, I'm not trying to scare anyone out of MVIS. I'm just sharing my technical analysis and where I think price may drop to and price may retest up towards. And I'll cover those in this video as well. So again, I do think we get this pullback potentially towards down to the Fibonacci range of $1.28. Once we get pretty close to this range, there should be a sharp reversal up to the top side in my opinion. And that's where I think the next resistance for MVIS is closer to $1.64. Post $1.64, if we do happen to break above it, the next major resistance is actually closer towards our recent high here of 195, which if you're long term on MVIS, I do think 195 gets retested within this year. Just a matter of time in my opinion. So back to the daily chart. Why I'm so bullish on MVIS still though is because we've been in this bearish crossover for so long, and here we have this breakout as of right around the end of December. We broke out above the 200 EMA and then tested onto the 50 EMA. Things are actually looking really good here in the long term for MVIS stock in terms of the technical analysis, right? People are entering, we're having higher lows and also higher highs as of recently. Keep an eye out for that test back to the 200 EMA and then a reversal back up to the top side. You can see here the 50 EMA, the green line right here, is about to cross over the 200 EMA. Once we see the 50 EMA cross above the 200 EMA, that's when you can see a big continuation move up towards the top side. That would be a bullish crossover, which is occurring here pretty soon. If we scroll all the way back to the past, right, whenever there is a bullish crossover, you can see there's a big leg up, and as of recently, $8.20 was the last bullish crossover on the daily chart. And then if we go back to where we are today, like I said, it looks like we're about to have that bullish crossover here. Watch for that move back up to $2 in the short term, potentially in the next few months. But at least with minimal price target, $2 is my personal prediction within this year of 2025. I do view this as a dip opportunity, and you can see that there's a lot of volatility going on here. So just because there's a big move down doesn't mean it's over. A big move down, in my opinion, looks like an opportunity for a big move back up, right? You don't want to be selling at the low, right? And you also don't want to be buying at the high. Kind of reverse your mindset there, in my opinion. Now that we're down 10%, this could be viewed as a dip opportunity if looking for a price test back up towards the high. And especially it's important with MVIS stock because we're about to have a bullish crossover. And like I mentioned earlier, during a bullish crossover, expect to see a lot of volatility and price move towards the upside. If you are in MVIS stock, be sure to join our Discord with the link down below in the description. Over 32,000 members there. It's free to join. And if you're looking for our live entries and exits on stock, shares, and also options alerts, we do have that in the Patreon link down below in the description. Currently 90% off as of today, so if that's something in your interest, feel free to check it out, right? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video for MVIS analysis.